Every laptop review starts with benchmarks like Geekbench, PCMark, and Antutu, but they do not tell you the full picture when it comes to real-world stress. Especially when you have 40 tabs open, a PPT pending, and a meeting within 5 minutes. And your laptop gives a very last moment, and that's the real stress. And that is why we have decided to do a 5 rounds Primebook 2 stress test to see whether it is your right partner when you are actually stressed. Honestly, if a laptop has great processor and tons of power, battery optimization still matters. So let's see how the Primebook battery performs in the stress test. On Primebook 2, we have got Prime browser. It is a very lightweight browser and consumes very less RAM, which helps you open more tabs and be more productive. So let's see how many tabs we can open at once. Real stress isn't one heavy app, it's everything happening together. When it comes to multitasking, many Windows laptops in this range with capable hardware still struggle to perform smoothly. So now we are going to play BGMI for like 30 minutes. Let's see how it performs. Okay, now let's check the temperature. As you can see, it is quite cool, which is really good considering Primebook has no fans. Now let's do the final round between Primebook 2 and its counterpart. On one side we have Primebook 2 and on the other side we have a Windows laptop under 30,000 rupees. So the comparison stays fair. We are going to start with the boot time, then app launch time, and finally 4K video playback to see how smooth everything is. As you can see, the boot time, the app launch speed, and the 4K video playback is much smoother on Primebook 2. Coming back to the first round, the battery test. After everything we threw at it, here is what's left. As you can see, the Primebook 2 just doesn't drain enough, which means you can forget the charger at your home and still get done with your day. When we started Primebook, we wanted to make seamless and powerful computing accessible without burning a hole in your pocket. The test shows how far we have come.